Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedrian. Now YG Marley praised in the Moonlight hits 1 billion streams. Marley's breakthrough single has received 1 billion streams globally and currently sits at number 39 on the Billboard Hot 100 list. The song, which debuted on December 25, has captivated listeners worldwide with over 27 million views on YouTube and 100 million listens on Spotify. The track's chart history has been amazing, with it originally sliding to number 60 before reclaiming the number 39 spot. The song is followed by music superstar Drake at 40. The popularity of Praised in the Moonlight has earned recognition from industry insiders, including dancehall superstar Bounty Killer, who has encouraged other Jamaican musicians to adopt this approach to music. Russian returns with a new juggling. The international dancehall producer released another highly anticipated juggling dubbed Payment Plan Rhythm. The rhythm sees a list of fast-rising dancehall acts like Nige Boy, great song, Raja Wild, The Cherry, Briscoe, Jada Kingdom, and Moyan.
Lisa, Gina, Susanna, Keisha, Serena, and 22 others. Buck it up in a syllable for my charge. Got the whole of my friend and done. My feelings gone, this thing man feel you want.
Too much youth tapping eyes on me head. Uncle have girl strength, how I do that? One thing for sure, no, me no need a man. Every night I want meal me sleep on.
Payment Plan follows the tremendous success of his Dirty Money rhythm earlier this year, which piqued the interest of critics who called for the return of juggling rhythms in dancehall. I second that. Now, Ye Anti-Dollar Sign's Carnival hits the number 1 on Billboard Hot 100. The song featuring Rich the Kid and Playboy Carti has become the 5th leader for Ye Anti-Dollar Sign's second. The song, which drew 33.7 million streams and 3.9 million radio play impressions, sold 3,000 downloads in the March 1 to 7 tracking week. It also added a third week atop the streaming songs chart and jumped 19 to 13 for a new high on digital song sales. Ye has now led the Hot 100 in the 2000s, 2010s, and the 2020s, becoming the only male to earn the honor. Carnival dethrones Beyonce's Texas Hold'em atop the Hot 100. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedrian. Thank you for watching.